Hey guys, Dr. Jim here from Randour Chiropractic. Today I'd like to talk about a condition that chiropractic has a lot of success treating that maybe a lot of you guys don't know about or wouldn't think of a chiropractor, you'd think more of a podiatrist. I'd like to talk about plantar fasciitis. So plantar fasciitis in your foot has an arch. The plantar fascia goes from the heel bone, the calcaneus, over here to the front of the foot where the toes start. So the plantar fascia is a tendon that runs along here. So when your foot has a nice arch, that plantar fascia is not being stretched. And what happens is as some bones can move out of place in your foot, specifically this heel bone going up, it stretches that plantar fascia and then the fascia becomes inflamed and very painful. Usually starts around the heel here and you can start to develop a heel spur if that's inflamed long enough. So the traditional medicine route is to ice it, physical therapy, cortisone injections. What I do as a chiropractor is we evaluate this foot, we evaluate this heel bone in the talus bone, which is the one that your leg sits on. If those two get messed up, the arch drops a little bit. So as a chiropractor, I can take that heel and reset and restore the arch of the foot, taking the pressure off that plantar fascia. When the pressure is off of it, then the inflammation goes down and it starts to feel better. Now, along with adjusting, we'll do some stretches and icing to the inflamed plantar fascia also, which help. But the key to getting rid of the plantar fasciitis is to restoring the arch of the foot, taking the pressure off of that plantar fascia so the inflammation can go away. So that's a condition that most people probably don't think of a chiropractor as treating, but we have a lot of success with it. Thank you and give us a call.